Welcome, everyone. We are absolutely thrilled that you joined us today. My name is Shannon Gundy, and I'm the Interim Associate Vice President for Enrollment Management here at the University of Maryland. Now, today is all about celebrating you, our incredible admitted students, and giving you a glimpse into what makes UMD such a special place. We have an exciting day planned for you with opportunities to meet faculty, chat with students, and dive into everything that makes life as a Terp unforgettable. Now, before we jump in, let's take a moment to celebrate you. You have officially been admitted to the University of Maryland, and that is no small feat. This is an achievement you should be incredibly proud of, and we are beyond excited that you are considering joining our Terrapin family. Today's sessions are designed to answer your questions and help you connect, not just with faculty and staff from your major or programs, but also with the people who could become your lifelong friends. While UMD is a large school, it's the relationships you build here that will make it feel like home. The class of 2029 is truly one for the books. This year, we received over 66,000 applications for 5,028 spots. That means you stood out in an incredibly competitive pool. Way to go. Among those who submitted test scores, the middle 50% range was between 1390 and 1520 on the SAT, or between 32 and 35 on the ACT, with an average GPA of 4.2. Now, these numbers aren't the only thing that makes this class amazing. Many of you have achieved perfect academic records. Some of you have traveled the world, gaining priceless experiences. Others shine on stage, on the field, or in the arts. And some of you are innovative leaders ready to take on new challenges. And all of you are driven, passionate, and ready to make your mark. Together, you represent the very best of what UMD has to offer, and we can't wait to see the impact you will make here and beyond. And UMD is not just a great school, it's one of the best. We are ranked number 12 among U.S. public institutions in the Best Global Schools rankings by U.S. News & World Report. Number 1 in the nation for LGBTQ+ students, ranked by Campus Pride and bestcolleges.com. Number 7 overall and number 5 among public universities for undergraduate entrepreneurship. Our student body represents 49 states and 127 countries. Now, talk about diversity. But UMD isn't just about rankings and numbers, it's about people. The friends you'll make, the professors who will inspire you, and the community that will support you every step of the way. Choosing UMD means choosing a place where you can make a difference. With initiatives like the Do Good Institute, where you'll have the chance to tackle major issues, whether it's social justice, health disparities, virtual and augmented reality, sports and arts in the digital world, or something entirely new. At the University of Maryland, you'll meet a diverse community of people who share your interests and passions. We take great pride in the diversity of our students, embracing differences in thought, gender, race, ethnicity, geography, religion, physical ability, and sexual orientation. Here at UMD, we're always pushing forward, fearlessly forward, and we want you to be a part of that journey. Welcome to the University of Maryland. We can't wait to see the amazing things you will do.